Hello everyone and welcome to this GPT Workspace tutorial. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the process of installing GPT Workspace on Google Slides and crafting your very first prompt using the tool. So, let's dive in. First, scroll all the way down and click on Install the add-on. You'll be greeted with our distinctive logo and a brief overview of what we offer. Right there, click on the Install button. Choose the Google account you'd like to associate with the GPT Workspace add-on. Keep in mind that this extension isn't limited to just Google Slides. It's also fully functional with Google Sheets and Google Docs. We even offer specific content that demonstrates practical use cases. Select Allow. And there you have it. A notification from Google pops up confirming that you've successfully installed the add-on. Click on Next and then on Done. Now you're all set to explore GPT Workspace in Google Slides. Let's go to Google Slides and give the page a quick refresh to activate the new add-on. Head over to the Extensions menu, find the GPT Workspace add-on and launch it. Give it a moment and you'll notice a new sidebar interface with a set of options. Here, you can generate complete slide decks, text content, and even create images. Pretty cool, right? But for now, let's zero in on crafting our very first prompt directly within Google Slides. Imagine I'm prepping for a business meeting tomorrow, and I need to present a pitch to potential investors about my new line of immune-boosting food supplements. I require a compelling 6-slide presentation showcasing my products. I'll be using Chat GPT 4 for this task. Let's wait just a moment for our content to generate. And there it is, our new customized content is ready. This was a quick and straightforward introduction to the prompt creation process. But don't worry, we have plenty more tutorials that delve deeper into maximizing your productivity with Google Slides using our tool. Stay tuned for more tips on how to effectively use GPT Workspace and make the best of it.